How to fix unbootable issue after installing KB4467691 in Lenovo laptop. FYI, after installing KB4467691, aka Windows Internet Explorer Emergency Patch, Windows may fail to start up on certain Lenovo laptops that have less than 8 GB of RAM. Workarounds. 1. Restart your affected machine using UEFI, https://bit.ly/2kbyhun. After this, disable secure boot. See how to at https://bit.ly/2uzwgt, and then perform restart. If BitLocker is enabled on your computer, you may have to go through BitLocker recovery. See more info at https://bit.ly/2xx4rtl. After secure boot has been disabled. 3. Remove that KB4467691 manually in Windows Safe Mode. Here's how at https://goo.gl/muckq5. 4. Prevent KB4467691 from reinstalling automatically. https://goo.gl/tv14zq5. Keep your system up to date as Microsoft is working on a resolution and will provide an update in an upcoming release.